Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Merry Christmas sign. I base coated this sign first in the color Fluff and then let that dry. And now I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and I am filling in my lettering. Now that my lettering's filled in, I'm going to go in with some polka dot brushes, and I'm going to use the color Evergreen and the color Barn Red. And I'm going to just add these polka dots sporadically around my sign. And next I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and a little bit of the color Cotton, and I'm going to highlight my lettering, kind of sticking to the left side of each letter. And then once I'm done with that, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.